Post-war in America, the 60s. A new age of consumerism was blooming in the U.S. Shopping malls became this new, interesting way of shopping, eating, and having fun with your family. It was during this time that brands launched their first catalogs. A whole new way of doing advertising, ordering from a catalog while visiting the physical stores. Many brands included product catalogs as part of their marketing strategy. And they still do. But today, marketing has changed a lot, and so did the publishing industry. Sharing your ideas with the world through a magazine or your products through a catalog has never been easier. Flipsnack is a unique publishing platform used to transform beautiful PDFs into stunning magazines, brochures, lookbooks, catalogs, you name it. But how exactly does this work? Let's say Anne wants to make a digital catalog. She goes online and finds Flipsnack. It's so easy to transform a PDF into a stunning, lifelike publication. But even if Anne doesn't have a PDF, Flipsnack's got hundreds of templates to choose from. Not only does Flipsnack save Anne time and money, but it also simplifies the process of building her own marketing materials. She can edit all design templates and play around with images, fonts, colors, text, and add branding to make it more authentic. Flipsnack can help her boost sales by adding links directly to her catalogs. Once Anne is happy with the result, she can share it on any social media platform, send it via email, or embed it on her website. There are also many ways to download it, as PDF, HTML5, GIF, or as a 10-second video. But it doesn't stop here. After Anne shares her catalog with the world, she can track visitors' data and traffic stats with Flipsnack. Sharing your ideas with the world through a magazine or your products through a catalog is as easy and fast as a click. With Flipsnack, you got everything you could possibly need and more.